Welcome back. That's Dr. Malia Saunders. Now, just kidding. Davy D always introduces her that way, but she's not a doctor. Not yet. And her last name is Sanders. This is Malia Sanders. She's in for Davy D. I'm Nina Girl, and it is time for Shakas and Shoutouts. That's right. Shakas and Shoutouts to the Waialua Community Association. It's offering a free crafting opportunity this Saturday.
January 24th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Learn the craft of hana kaula, cordage making, with Wahipana artist Amber Khan. Cordage will be part of an upcoming Wahipana public art installation at Haleiwa Beach Park, launching February 2026. Workshops are free and open to all.
And you know, they'll want to know you're coming through, so we'll have that space reservation link for you in just a little bit. And Shakas and Shoutouts to the Polynesian Voyaging Society and Pu'uhonua Society. They're extending the Eola Mau Hōkūleʻa Half a Century of Voyaging special art exhibition.
Extended to January 25th, the exhibition honors the 50th anniversary of the legendary voyaging canoe and the Inspiration Hawaii Museum. Experience the stories, artistry, and enduring legacy of Hōkūleʻa and join us as we voyage towards the next 50 years. The exhibit is open Wednesday through Friday, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. It is free and open to the public.
And since her launch in 1975, Hōkūleʻa has sailed nearly 250,000 nautical miles across Moana Nui Akea. I know, amazing, yes, sis?
So amazing.
And beyond, reawakening indigenous knowledge, strengthening cultural connections, and inspiring a global movement for ocean protection and cultural revitalization. Now, this exhibition honors that legacy through the creative visions of today's contemporary artists. And Shakas and Shoutouts to Mo'olelo Studios and Sacred Hearts Academy. They are putting together their first ever free community dinner called One Table, One ʻohana.
The concept is simple. On Wednesday, January 28th from 5 to 7 p.m., come have dinner, free and open to the public, on the campus of the Sacred Hearts Academy in Kaimuki, Oʻahu. An RSVP is not required to attend, but if you know you're going to be there, they kindly ask that you please RSVP so they can get a head count to ensure they have enough food for everyone. The RSVP does not collect names or information. It's just the head count of adults and children.
One table, one ʻohana, a free community dinner. What a beautiful concept.
So cool. I love that.
And I believe that they're hoping to do this every single month so the community can gather.
Yeah.
Yep. Now, for more information about the cordage workshop in Waialua, the Hōkūleʻa exhibit, or the One Table, One ʻohana free community dinner, go to kitv.com/links.